In a quiet village, a little sparrow named Pip loved to explore. One day, he saw a group of crows pecking at a golden grain sack left by a farmer. "Come, Pip, there's plenty for all," they cawed. Little Sparrow, he had always been taught not to take what wasn't his. Food smelled tempting. Little Sparrow, just as he was about to join, he saw the farmer approaching with a stick. The crows flew away, but Sparrow was too late. The farmer sighed, picked Sparrow up gently, and said, "Little one, you don't have to follow others to find food. Look around, nature always provides." From that day on, Sparrow learned to trust his instincts and find his own way, never taking what wasn't his.